Welcome back, viewers and subscriber. Hope you are doing well, and if you're new, please consider to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to see more upcoming interesting video. Today I'll be showing you how to make up a frame to take a shower enclosure right after this. JFS Premier TV with the best video results. Please like, subscribe and share. So first thing you have to do, viewers and subscriber, is prepare the steel to hold the concrete. That's what hold the concrete firm. So what you have to do is drill the wall with a drill and also the ground to put in the upward steel. So we drill the wall and put 2 lengths of steel in it, as you can see, and 5 small steel upward and tight with binding wire to get a firm hold with the concrete when it's ready to box up. So this is preparing the boxing to take the concrete, viewers and subscriber, as you can see, and you have to make it strong, so when you pour the concrete inside it doesn't bulge out, so you have to make it strong and firm so it can hold. So when the finished work finish, it look good. So even the top part, as you can see, we put board there to firm it up. I'm going to put board right there as well, cutting the board to get that firm. Once it's firm, you cannot lose. That's the thing. Have to be firm to get that nice finish work when it's done. No bulging. Okay, so this is how it look on the ground. You know, have to be firm for the concrete, as you can see. Well embraced from top to bottom. Yeah. Yes, so viewers and sub, you know, you have to get the thing level and plumb. So when the concrete being thrown inside, when it's dry, you don't see any hill and gully. So as you can see, dead level. Have to get it plumb and level. Yeah. So we're preparing the concrete to pour in the box, as you can see right now. Mixing it up. Mixing it rich so you get a nice firm concrete when the boxing has been removed, when it's dry. Here, viewers and subscribers, as you can see, we are pouring the mortar in the boxing, and this is how it looks. We even use block to get a firmer grip to hold the concrete tight, because you know the concrete is very heavy. But as you can see, looking pretty good so far. You know, that's the way to do it, you know, and this is a finished look of it when we are done rubbing, as you can see. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so now you're looking at the finishing look when the boxing has removed. Very firm, as you can see. Yeah, neat and clean, you know. So that's how you prepare a frame to take a shower enclosure, viewers and subscribers. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to see me upcoming interesting video like this. Have a wonderful day. See you